Oh yeah.
Okay, awesome. We saw it over here. We didn't see anybody around. We're like, oh no. Good deal. Good deal. What's that? Favorite spot.
Now that would be a nice little cabin for a few nights.
Yeah. It doesn't private property though.
No, I know, I know.
You think you can rent it?
Well, I noticed on the falls side, an earlier video somebody had done, there used to be a fishing building, something like that up there, because I noticed it when I was there the other weekend. It looked like it had burned down.
Yeah.
You saw it? Yeah.
Yeah. I was bummed because I came out here because I wanted to see that. I wanted to see the cavern, the cave.
No, I know. I was really bummed.
I couldn't find the fishing cabin, and then I got back home.